how to resize photos for Instagram. Instagram has specific size requirements for posts, stories, and reels, so resizing your photos correctly ensures they display properly. Start by opening the photo you want to resize. If you are using Instagram, tap the plus sign at the bottom to create a new post and select the photo from your gallery. By default, Instagram may crop the image into a square format. If you want to keep the original size, tap the expand icon at the bottom left. This allows you to post a vertical or horizontal image without cropping. If you need more precise resizing, you can use your phone inbuilt editor. Open the Photos app, select your photo, and click on the Edit option. From the editing menu, select Crop and then the Aspect Ratio button on the top. Select the correct Instagram dimensions. For a standard post, use 1:1 for square images. For Instagram stories and reels, select 9:16. Once you have resized your image, save it and then go back to Instagram and click the plus button at the bottom. From here, select Post and choose your resized image and upload it to Instagram. That is how you resize photos for Instagram.